Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to my tutorial. In this lesson, I will show you how to play the 7 diatonic chords in the key of C major and give you some examples on how to use them in songs. The guitar is tuned standard, E, A, D, G, B, E. And the C major scale is made up of the 7 natural notes, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. But a major scale always starts with the note that it is named after. So for the C major scale, we will start with C, which is C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and then back to C. Each note in the key has a chord named after it, and the chords consist of 3 notes from the key. To get those chords, we need to pick a root note, then choose every other note from the scale until we have 3 notes. The 3-note group that we choose is called a triad. If we start with the note C, we'll choose C, skip D, go to E, and G, which is C major. Our first chord from the C major scale is, of course, C major. We'll play the C major chord this way. We're holding down the A string at fret 3, the D string at fret 2, and the B string at fret 1, and strumming from the A string. For our second chord, we'll start with a D and pick every other note from the scale, which will be D, F, A, or D minor. And D minor is played this way. For that one, we're holding down the B string at fret 3, the G string at fret 2, and the high E string at fret 1. And we'll strum that from the D string. We can also strum it from the A string because the D minor triad has an A in it. Chord number 3 will be E minor. And the E minor chord will have the notes E, G, and B. We'll play it this way. For that one, we're holding down the A string at fret 2 and the D string at fret 2 and strumming all the strings. Chord number 4 is F major, and the notes are F, A, C, and it's played this way. I'm holding down the D string at fret 3, the G string at fret 2, the B and high E at fret 1, and strumming all the strings. And we're going to also play that from the A string because an A note is in the F major triad. Chord number 5 is G. The notes are G, B, and D. That's our G major chord. And I'm playing that one by holding down the low E string at fret 3, the A string at fret 2, and the B and high E string at fret 3, strumming all the strings. The number 6 chord, or 6 minor chord, is A minor. The A minor notes are A, C, E. And we're playing that one by holding down the D string at fret 2, the G string at fret 2, and the B string at fret 1, strumming from the A string. And since there's an E in there, we can strum that one from the low E string. And it still sounds pretty good. Our seventh chord is one that is not used that much. It's a B diminished chord. And the notes in that chord are B, D, F. We'll play that chord by putting a finger on the G string fret 1 and the high E string fret 1 and play from the D string, and that's our B diminished chord. You can hear why that chord is not used a lot. But the B diminished chord can be used as a leading chord for our C chord. So if we play the B diminished chord ahead of our C chord, we get resolve by doing that. So we create tension, and then we go to our C chord. Now these are the 7 diatonic chords from the key of C major. Diatonic means that we used only the notes from the selected key to play the chords or melodies. Here are some of the ways that these chords are used in songs. For a good example on how to use these chords, we could go to C and follow it with F major and play My Girl. I've got sunshine on a cloudy day, when it's cold outside, I've got the month of May. And even in that song, when they go to the pre-chorus, they go C, D minor, F, G. I guess you say, what can make me feel this way? And then a C major 7, my girl. Now they did that by going to a C major 7, which is C, E, G, and an open B. So you get, you're still diatonic because you're still using the notes from the key. That's C major 7, formed by placing a finger on the A string, fret 3, and the D string, fret 2, and strumming the strings open. Like that. Now in the song Summer Breeze by Seals and Croft, they'll go to an E minor chord, then go to a C chord. Like that for the intro. It goes la 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 da 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 la da 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 da. Now if we go back to the 50s and grab an Everly Brothers tune, it sounds something like this. C, A minor, F, G. Whenever I want you, all I have to do is dream, 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 dream. And that's all diatonic, chords within the key. Alright guys, that's my tutorial. How to play diatonic chords in the key of C major. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day. Whenever I want you, all I have to do is dream.